Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a promo code or the coupon code for this Airdna. So here is the three website, or otherwise you can choose is you can focus on or keep your eyes on the Airdna official website, where you can find in research you can find best coupon codes or best offers right now running, or if any promotional campaign is running, then you can find the coupon codes that actually works and official from this Airdna, or you can follow their official uh, social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, and the Twitter. So the three of this website also provide you some coupon codes. So you have to follow all the coupon codes, because sometimes the one of this coupon code might not work because it can be it might be expired, or it might reach its maximum users limit. So you have to try one by one and see which one actually works for you. Now the first one is the colormango.com, where you can go to colormango.com and you can use this search feature and search for this Airdna, and you can find some details and the coupon codes from here. So actually it actually holds or embedded their affiliate links with the discount here with this button. So simply click on get deals and it will redirect you to the Airdna with that link. If you sign up or you can purchase anything, so you can get the deals here. So you can find this like here. And also the second one is the terrorteam.com. So from here you can search for the Airdna also, and you can find also some deals. So Airdna right now is not launching any promo codes or coupon codes. They only launching some affiliate links or promo links that you can use to get into their web page and sign up, and you can actually get the deals. So simply click on get deals and you will redirect you the this Airdna website, where you can enjoy the coupon codes, or the enjoy not actual coupon codes, sorry for that. You can actually enjoy these offers. Now the third one is the startup world. You can also find some discounts and deals here. So you can simply click on show deal and you can find the deal activated, and it has just redirect you to the Airdna website, where you can purchase anything and with this offer. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.